I got all of those braids out my head because I hit my head yesterday when on impact I was trying my hardest to hold the wheel, and the car was just going all over the place, and so was my body and my head. And I wound up hitting my head, so I got a spot in my head where I don't know if I'm gonna have to go back to the hospital and let them check it. I want to make sure everything's okay. But I had to get those braids out immediately so I can figure out what's going on with my scalp. But